Today, we're diving into a timeless classic that's filled with invaluable lessons on wealth and success. Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. This book isn't just about making money. It's about cultivating a mindset that leads to financial abundance. So let's uncover 5 powerful money lessons from this masterpiece. Number 1. Definite purpose. Napoleon Hill's emphasis on having a clear and specific goal is foundational in Think and Grow Rich. It's not merely about the desire for wealth. It's about identifying what wealth means to you. It might be starting a business, investing in stocks, real estate, or simply achieving financial independence. Having a definite purpose provides a roadmap for your financial journey. It's about knowing exactly what you want and working tirelessly towards it. Think of your definite purpose as the lighthouse guiding your ship through stormy waters. It's that beacon of light in the distance, leading you through the darkest nights and steering you towards financial success. This clarity helps in making informed decisions and staying focused amidst distractions. But remember, a definite purpose isn't just a wish or a dream jotted down on paper. It's a burning desire that keeps you awake at night, propelling you forward when challenges arise. When you set a specific target, your mind starts aligning with that goal. You become more aware of opportunities and resources that can aid in reaching that destination. Moreover, this principle teaches the importance of persistence. Even if initial attempts fall short, the mindset of a definite purpose ensures that you adapt and keep moving forward. It's not merely about the end result, but about the person you become in pursuit of that goal. That transformation is where true wealth lies. Number 2. Autosuggestion. This principle delves into the power of our thoughts in shaping our reality. Autosuggestion isn't just repeating empty affirmations. It's a method of self-programming, creating a mental environment that fosters success. Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich underscores the significance of consistently feeding your mind with positive thoughts about wealth and success, essentially reprogramming your subconscious mind. The mind is an incredibly powerful tool. By using autosuggestion, you begin to craft your mental landscape, painting it with thoughts of affluence, prosperity, and success. When you repeatedly affirm these positive beliefs, they gradually become ingrained in your subconscious, influencing your behavior and decisions. This, in turn, attracts opportunities and circumstances that align with these beliefs. However, it's important to note that autosuggestion isn't just wishful thinking. It's about coupling these affirmations with action. You're not merely sitting back and hoping for success to fall into your lap. Instead, you're conditioning your mind to recognize and capitalize on opportunities that present themselves along your financial journey. Consistency is key. Just as a seed requires consistent watering and nurturing to grow into a strong tree, your mind needs the steady stream of positive reinforcement to manifest the desired outcomes. It's about fostering a mindset that not only believes in success but actively works towards it. Remember, what your mind can conceive and believe it can achieve. Number 3. Persistence. In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill highlights the indispensable role of persistence in the pursuit of wealth and success. Many renowned individuals throughout history encountered numerous setbacks, failures, and rejection before achieving their financial dreams. The common thread: unwavering persistence. Persistence isn't merely about plowing through obstacles. It's a mindset that goes hand in hand with resilience and determination. It's about recognizing that setbacks are not permanent roadblocks but temporary detours in the journey toward success. Think of persistence as the fuel that keeps your engine running despite the inevitable bumps in the road. It's the ability to keep pushing forward when things get tough, maintaining focus on your goals even when the path seems obscured. Consider it as a muscle that strengthens every time you face and overcome a challenge, reinforcing your resolve to achieve financial success. Moreover, persistence isn't just blind stubbornness. It involves learning from failures, adjusting strategies, and continuously refining your approach. It's about perseverance in the face of adversity, evolving from each experience, and using setbacks as lessons rather than defeats. Remember, success is rarely an overnight phenomenon. It's the product of consistent effort over time. Those who attain financial abundance understand that setbacks and failures are not signs to give up, but indicators to recalibrate and continue the journey. It's this unwavering commitment that often separates those who achieve their financial goals from those who don't. Number 4. Specialized knowledge. Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich emphasizes a cornerstone principle: continuous learning and the acquisition of specialized knowledge. It's not merely about education. It's about the strategic pursuit of targeted expertise in your field. Whether you're delving into courses, absorbing insights from books, or seeking mentorship, the quest for knowledge enriches your expertise and is the key that unlocks doors to financial growth. Consider this principle as the compass that guides you through the complexities of your chosen field. By gaining specialized knowledge, you're not just keeping up with the trends but staying ahead of the curve. This knowledge grants you a competitive advantage, offering insights that others may lack, and fostering innovation in your financial endeavors. Moreover, specialized knowledge isn't solely about theoretical information. It's about practical application. It's the fusion of learning and action that amplifies its potency. The implementation of this knowledge in your daily practices refines your skills, enhances your problem-solving abilities, and fosters a deeper understanding of the nuances within your industry. Think of it as investing in yourself. Just as you might invest in stocks or real estate, investing in your knowledge is a surefire way to yield significant returns. The more you learn, the more you have to offer. It's a continuous cycle of growth that propels you towards success. Hill's concept emphasizes that the quest for knowledge isn't a one-time task but an ongoing journey. As the world evolves, so should your expertise. Number 5, Faith, Think, and Grow Rich introduces a powerful concept of faith, far beyond religious beliefs. This principle underscores the unwavering confidence in your ability to achieve your financial goals. It's about fostering a resolute belief in yourself and your vision. This deep-seated belief acts as a catalyst, propelling you towards success by aligning your actions and attracting opportunities. Faith, in this context, is not wishful thinking or mere optimism. It's the unwavering trust in your capabilities, in your goals, and in the manifestation of your aspirations. When you have faith in your endeavors, it's akin to laying down the tracks of a railroad guiding your actions towards a defined destination. This belief system shapes your perspective, influencing how you perceive challenges and opportunities. Moreover, faith is not an isolated concept. It intertwines with your thoughts and actions, creating a magnetic force that draws success towards you. When you radiate unwavering faith in your pursuit of financial success, you emit a level of confidence and determination that magnetizes circumstances and people that resonate with your goals. This principle is about recognizing that your belief in your abilities significantly impacts your decisions and actions. It's like an invisible force that propels you forward, enabling you to persevere in the face of adversity. The individuals who have made significant strides in their financial journey often attribute a portion of their success to this unshakable belief in themselves and their goals.